Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from OMGHerHair. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. The wig that I received is a 20-inch, 150% density, 3-in-1 wet and wavy lace front wig with 6 inches of deep parting space. So if you are looking for a wig that is ready to go with a very natural looking realistic hairline, this just may be the wig for you. My favorite part is the fact that you can have it your way with this wig. Literally, this wig can transform into 3 gorgeous hair textures. Straight out of the package, this wig comes in a naturally blown out texture, which looks unbelievably natural. This is one of my favorite hair textures, by the way. I love how airy and lightweight it is, and of course how realistic looking it is as well. We're going to experiment with the other hair textures as well in this video, and if you've ever wondered if the hair reverts back to the blown out texture after being in its curly state and then goes back to curly without heat damage, well, we're going to test that out too. So let's get started. So here is a better look at the wig on a mannequin head. I want to show you guys straight out of the package how perfect this hairline is. I don't have to do any extra customizing to it at all, so it is ready to install. And look at how deep the parting space is. You do get about 6 inches of parting space on this lace front wig. First thing that I am going to do is tint the lace. This step is always optional, but I do want my lace to be a perfect color match for my complexion. This does wash out too, by the way. Once I wash the wig, the lace tints do also wash away with shampoo. The first color of the lace tint is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of the under portion of lace. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. This is going to give me the most perfect and flawless install. This is going to make the lace match my complexion perfectly. So for the first style, I'm going to leave it in its natural blown out texture, and I'm just going to define the parting space and smooth the hairs along the hairline down so that it could look more polished. I'm also going to use my pressing comb to go over those hairs and use the pressing comb to also straighten the rest of the hair, not too much, but just a little bit so that it can all look a little bit more polished and sleek. Look how perfect this hairline is, y'all. I love it. OMGHerHair did a great job on it. It is now time to cut away that extra lace. I'm grabbing a pair of scissors and I'm going to slice it down the center to divide the extra lace into 2 different sections. Then I'll be grabbing a pair of pinking shears and I'm going to carefully follow the natural hairline and cut directly in front of the hairline, following the natural curvature of it to get rid of that extra lace for install. To prep my skin for install, I'm using alcohol to clean off my forehead, and then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape and applying 2 different layers of the scalp protector. Grabbing Wonder Lace Bond from 𝐒𝐈A New York, as well as the wig, I'm going to hold it on its side and spray a very thin layer of the Wonder Lace Bond to the very edge of the under portion of lace and blow dry until it is tacky. Then I'll be grabbing the wig, placing it on my head in its proper placement, and then putting my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow everything to set. So here's the blown out straight out of the package hair texture. This is how it looks. Of course, you can do so many different hairstyles with this. This would be really, really cute as like a half up, half down hairstyle. You can curl this hair, you can straighten it, you can flat iron it. There's so many different things. You can cut layers in it. It will be super cute if you did that. I just wanted to show you guys the straight out of the package texture, how it looks in the sun, how the lace melts against your skin. I wish I had a video of how my hair looks when I blow it out, because this is exactly how it looks. My hair is not this long or this thick, but the actual texture of it looks spot on to this texture. Kinky straight textures don't mimic my natural hair and its blown out texture, and neither do yucky straight wigs either. This one is spot on. That's why this is one of my favorite hair textures, because of how realistic it looks on me. So now I'm just going to do a really quick hairstyle just to show you guys how it looks when it's curled. if you do decide to curl the hair. I'm just going to put it into ponytails at the top and then just curl through it. Here's how it looks. Look how full this hair is and beautiful and luscious, and how it just moves. So much movement. I love that about it. Look at how it looks in the sun, y'all. What do you think about this wig? Let me know in the comments. If you have made it this far into the video, hashtag 3textures in the comment section. All right, so we have seen this hair texture in its blown out texture, and then we've also seen it curled. Well, let's see it in its curly texture as well. So I'm going to split the head of hair down the center, and then with one section, I'm going to fully saturate it with water, and then I am going to add some curling mousse to it. And then, of course, use my Denman brush just to help to get these curls to pop. And I'm also using my hand, and I'm going to scrunch it in like a scrunching motion. That's going to help activate these curls as well. And let's see what type of curl pattern we're going to get from this hair texture. And also, a little bit towards the end of this video, I did end up grabbing a section of hair and then straightening it. And then I wet it again so we can see if there's any heat damage, so we can see if the curls do revert back perfectly. We can see how easy it is to wear it straight or curly, straight to curly. Let's take a look. I get a lot of inquiries from you guys asking which wigs I recommend and what type of textures I recommend, especially for beginners. And I highly, highly, highly recommend a wig like this that you can experiment with different textures with, a wig that is wet and wavy, and you do have the versatility of wearing it straight, wearing it in its blown out texture, or wearing it completely curly. Can you imagine being on a vacation somewhere and you have just one wig that gives you so many different options of hairstyles? Like, that is so perfect. You can start your vacation with your blown out texture and the different cute hairstyles that you can come up with, and then you can transition into it being fully curly, and then just, you know, spend the day on the beach or whatever have you. And then for dinner that night or a couple of days, you can wear it straight. Like, this is so perfect because you can literally have the versatility of someone's natural hair completely. I do want to see this wig come in color. I want to see how it looks with balayage highlights. I want to see how it looks with ombre. I want to see different hair colors and lengths with this texture of hair. I think that will be so dope for 2024. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. So I ended up using my Dyson Airstraight to grab a section of hair and straighten it out with that Dyson Airstraight, and it was so easy to do. I didn't have any issues straightening this hair at all. I highly, highly, highly recommend this texture. There was absolutely no heat damage, no loss of curls, no loss of volume after I did re-wet the section. So this wig is the one, y'all. I'll have all of the information to this wig from OMGHerHair down below in the description box. Let's chat in the comments all about this wig and the hairstyles that you would do with it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
𝐒𝐯𝐞𝐫. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐒𝐯𝐞𝐫.